Next question. Following are available profits of a firm. 4 years has been given. Profit, loss and profit. Capital invested 6 lakhs. Normal rate of return NRR 10%. Calculate goodwill by 3 years purchase of super profits. So 3 years purchase also given to us. So 3 years purchase of super profits and by capitalizing super profits. So we have to calculate goodwill by 2 methods. First of all, see that average profit is not given. We will have to calculate. So add up these 4 items, divide by 4 years. 1,50,000 plus 1,80,000, since it is loss, minus 25,000 and plus 2,60,000 divided by 4. So your average profit comes up to 1,41,250. Okay. Now step 1, calculation of normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return upon 100. So your capital employed or capital invested is given in the question. Capital invested 6 lakh. So capital employed 6 lakh into normal rate of return 10%, 10 by 100. So your normal profit comes up to 60,000. Super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. So average profit we have already calculated, 1,41,250 minus your normal profit 60,000. So profit above and over the normal profit is known as super profit. Super profit you have got as 81,250. Now we have to calculate goodwill by 2 methods. So first take goodwill by 3 years purchase. Super profit, that is 81,250 into number of years of purchase. So it is given 3 years purchase of super profit. So multiply it by 3. So our goodwill value comes up to 2,43,750. And the second method, goodwill by capitalizing super profits. So super profits 81,250 into, now 100 upon, since it is capitalizing, 100 upon normal rate of return, and normal rate of return is given as 10. So the answer will be 812,500. That is 8,12,500. Now next question.